and welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for clicking on the channel. I know I ain't been consistent lately, but so has the world. But what has been consistent lately is Nike shipping. Remember back when the coronavirus started, the shipping was sketchy. I happened to win these on Sneaker Saturday, and they came in a 2-day shipping. So I'm happy to see Nike's almost back. Today's video is about, you read the title, the ultimate great Jordan 5s. Now we've been getting slandered with Jordan 5s for the last couple of months. I'm happy to say these ones is a keeper. So real quick, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button down there. It look like the Supreme logo. All my subscribers that's coming back, I know we usually in the grill room. I'm doing some updating over there, trying to figure things out, how I want to organize stuff. So, we're here in the office. Back to the sneaker. It's dope in my opinion. I really don't have too many issues. If you know the channel, then you know my main issue is, like air back there. But we're gonna get into this. And before we do that, you already know we do that. Sneaker Notes, it's the What's on Foot segment. This is part of the video where you the viewer, let your boy know what you rocking on foot when you caught this video. I'm about to head out, got a whole bunch of stuff to do, a lot of walking around, so I had to be comfortable. But today I got on a Nike Presto off-white black joints. One of the most comfortable sneakers in my opinion. I mean, unless you're gonna go boost technology, but super comfortable. It's not the 10 Presto off-white. Still super dope. In that comment section below, let me know what you're rocking on foot. Without further ado, hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. So it comes in your regular Jordan 5 box that we often see with the cement print at the bottom. Nothing different here. No shit that happened if you ask me. I know usually I beg for them to be a little classy with the box different, but I don't think these sneakers really warranted that. Open the lid, the regular wax black tissue paper that you usually get with your Jordan 5s. And that's usually to stop the netting from yellowing, but in this pair you will see you're not going to have to worry about the netting yellowing. And let's start with the right shoe. Boom. Give you a 360 view of the sneaker. Real quick. Boom. So let's start with what I just was talking about. As you can see, your little window here that's usually white and can yellow real bad if you keep it out in the sun. It's a dark black charcoal gray tone. So you ain't gonna have to worry about that yellowing, and that's a plus in my opinion. But I want to start here. Why can't we get the Nike Air there, man? I understand it's an alternative. We need that Nike Air there at all times, Jordan. That's what makes a sneaker feel iconic, feel nostalgic. I mean, that's just my opinion. I still like the sneaker, but I like to see the Nike Air there. In that comment section below, let me know how y'all feel about not Nike Air there. The whole sneaker is your nubuck suede in a nice purple. I wish it was some yellow in there. I know I'm a big Laker fan, but I get it. I mean, as far as an alternative for the grapes, I think it's a perfect fitting. Whenever you put all these dark tones together and you finish it off with that turquoise or that aqua blue fighter jet there, I think it's dope. Your tongue is also dark black, so it's kind of a good and a bad to that. The bad is that it might not have that 3M, so it won't reflect like the silver on the fire reds or the metallic blacks. So that's an each his own item there. I like the black shoestrings. I think it's fitting, but I think they could have added some turquoise joints, or maybe even some soft purple joints like the Core Purple 2.0s. But you can always go get your shoelaces. I like how they kept it OG, and your ice tab has the turquoise blue button. That's dope. Go inside. Regular Jordan shoe tree. Try to get all that, man. Everybody got these Fugazis out here. I think it's my first time seeing the shoe tree say die cut sock line in the inside. That's my first time checking it out. Yeah, inside fits also the OG turquoise color in the inside. I mean, if y'all been watching the channel, I done reviewed the last 10 pairs of Jordan 5s to release. Most of them I reviewed early. And I like to say these ones they alright, man. They well put together. You got your icy sole at the bottom. I mean, that's gonna get dirty quick, but it looks dope while it lasts. But like with all the Jordan 5s that came out this year, from your fire reds to the top 3s that were top 3 but could have been done way better. I gotta say the best Jordan 5 that came out in the last couple of years is Virgil joints. Like, he hit this out the park. And I know Virgil been under a lot of scrutiny lately. He's been doing a lot of bozo things. But this sneaker right here, it has everything. And it has almost everything that these are lacking. So let's start with the side period. 23 there, no 23 there. I get it, these are the grapes. Mike ain't wear them, but Mike's still 23, man. So I feel like that's a difference. We already spoke about that difference. And then the interchange in the shoelaces. I know that's kind of like an off-white branding to come with different shoelaces, but with these price tags we paying for Jordans now, with the $10 up, I feel like more accessories should start coming. I mean, I'm not saying it has to, I just feel like it should. I mean, some people are a fan of the holes inside the thing. I kind of think the alternate 5s kind of won that with just making it a charcoal black so it can't yellow. Virgil actually yellowed the sneaker already to see how it would look retro, i.e. the sole, the neck gate there, the ice piece. So I get it. This is a clean shoe. Far as resale, I don't know, man, because what's going on nowadays, Nike and Foot Locker are saying they sold out, but like I told y'all in previous videos, the major restocks. If I tell y'all this, Jordan 6 DMPs restock daily. Jordan 5 Fire Reds restock daily. So is anything even sold out right now with the climate of the world? I don't know. Will these restock? Yes, they will. Will they restock like Jordan DMPs or the Fire Reds? I kind of doubt it. The reason why I doubt it is because the sneakers all new, but I don't think a lot of pairs will process like the Jordan 5 Fire Reds, which is an OG sneaker. The Jordan 6 DMPs, OG sneaker. Jordan brand must have felt like, yo, everybody got to get their hands on these. So I think far as the latest GR releases for Jordan, I think these ones will be more of the limited than the ones that we've been seeing. If you want this sneaker, I suggest you get it now, buy low. I really do think these are going to shoot up. Top 3 Jordan 5s just restocked the other day. I was going to double up on a pair, but like I said, those sneakers just wasn't done right in my opinion, man. So yeah, man, here's your review on the Jordan 5 alternate joints. I do feel like these sneakers is somewhat hurting the Fresh Prince Bel Air Jordan 5s, or maybe making them more nostalgic. Right now, I can't really put my hand on it, but I know we've never seen this many different alterations of the GRAPE / Fresh Prince look. But I think this one was done right, man. It was done good. Like I said, man, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. We're going to be in that grow room next video. I promise. I got all my Travis Scott merch that finally pulled up. Got to show y'all that. I've been lacking in the Supreme. Well, Supreme's been lacking because these weeks been bad, so I ain't been getting nothing. But I still got weeks of stuff I haven't showed y'all. So make sure you subscribe, man. More fire content on the way all the time. Supreme stuff I got the Travis Scott stuff. There was one more thing I had. There you go. The Fear God Essentials. I got a whole bunch of that coming in, so we take a look at that together also, man. I'm your boy C Notes. Thank you for checking in, man. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I appreciate everybody, man. Everybody, get rich.